Okay, welcome to another edition of Lion News. It's Tuesday, November 23rd, 2010, and Lion News can be found at lionnews00.blogspot.com. Okay, today is going to be a special edition because we're going to look at one of my most prized possessions. And I say it's one of my most prized possessions because it comes from special people and it was sent to a special place. Okay. Here's what it is. It's a letter. A letter from the office of Pope County Attorney. Who's the Pope County Attorney? Well, it's Belvin Dobert. And who's the Assistant County Attorney? Chad M. Larson. And look, here it's signed by Chad M. Larson, Pope County Attorney. Attorney's Office. Assistant County Attorney Chad Larson. Okay, and now it's dated January 14th, 2008. Who's it sent to? Terry Dean Nemers. And where's it sent? Where's the address? Is it addressed to? Oh no, Todd County Jail. Ooh, what did you do, Terry? Shame on you. And look, it's in regards to State versus Terry Dean Nemers, court file CR 07599. Okay? Dear Mr. Nemers, enclosed and served upon you by U.S. mail. It means it's legal mail. Please find continuing discovery in the form of documents number 9 through 12 and a disc, including photos in the above entitled matter. Sincerely, Pope County Attorney's Office. Signed, Chad M. Larson, Assistant County Attorney. And look, here's even the initials. CML/AMT. Enclosures. Okay, now remember enclosure, because he's sending a disc into the Todd County Jail. And here's the disc. I got my little rubber gloves on. Don't want to get any fingerprints on there other than Chad's. Okay, 07002616 photos. And it's got my name on it, Terry Nemers. See, and it's got the little sleeve that it came in. Okay, there's the sleeve. Okay. That's what Chad sent to me into the jail. Now, all you people are going, yeah, so what? You got a computer disk in the mail. Well, the only problem is that it's a felony to send a disk into the Todd County Jail. That's considered contraband. Isn't it, Chad? Yeah, it is, Chad. Because what we're going to do now is we're going to look at Lion News issue number 4. There's 3. Oops. There's number 4. Right there. Does that look familiar? That looks like that disc. Well, that really looks like that disc, doesn't it? See? Look at that. Look how similar that looks. It looks exactly similar because it's scanned. It was scanned and put right on there. See? So now we can show that. Boy, I still have it, don't I, Chad? I didn't throw it away. Why would I do that? There we go. There's a bigger picture. Now you can see it better. See? Looks familiar, doesn't it? Same words and everything. Isn't that right, Chad? It's the exact same one. Now I got proof that I have it. Still have it. Okay? Okay, now I'm making all these wild claims, right? Oh, I don't think so. I always back up what I say. Here it comes. Here, right off of the website of the Correctional Unit, the state of Minnesota. Here it says right here. Special legal mail. Incoming special legal mail will be opened only in the presence of offender. Okay. Now we got that established, right? Okay. It's only supposed to be open in the presence of the offender, right? Okay, what happened in the Todd County Jail? Well, we asked Sheriff Peter J. Mickelson what happened. Oh, he's not talking because he didn't open it in the presence of the offender, did he? No, he didn't. He was naughty, wasn't he? See, that's what the law says. He has to open it in the presence, in my presence, but he didn't. Nope. See, if he would have, maybe he would have saw that weapon in there. Because, you know, that's his job, is to remove weapons from the mail, isn't it, Peter? But you let me have the weapon, didn't you, Peter? Boy, you really screwed up there, didn't you? See, and I know that Peter didn't remove it from my cell because, he never gave me a piece of paper saying that it was removed from my cell. So I had it in my cell the whole time I was there, didn't I, Peter? You screwed up there too, didn't you, Peter? Thought that wall of silence was going to protect you, didn't you? Guess it didn't. Okay. So anyhow, here's the law right here, right on the bottom of Lion News right there. Okay? And it's also on the website if you can't read it. Here it says, okay, Minnesota Statute 641.165, contraband, articles forbidden, penalty, subdivision 2, acts prohibited, B, whoever introduces in any manner, like in legal mail, Chad, causes the introduction of a dangerous weapon, that's a disc. Now why is it dangerous? Well, that little disc that you think is so harmless? In jail, they don't like hard pieces of plastic because you can sharpen them and make them into a slashing weapon. And you can slash up the guards, you can slash up the trustees, you can slash up the other prisoners, or you can slash up yourself. Or you just rip up stuff. See? That's why they don't want those things in there, Chad. Yeah, isn't that right, Chad? Why'd you send it in there then, Chad? That was naughty, wasn't it? Okay, where'd we leave off at? As defined in Section 609.02, Subdivision 6, into any jail, lockup, or correctional facility as defined in Section 241.021, Subdivision 1, without the consent of the person in charge or is found in possession of a dangerous weapon while in the facility or upon the grounds therein, is guilty of a felony. Chad, you're guilty of a felony, aren't you? And upon conviction may be sentenced to imprisonment for not more than 5 years. Oh boy, Chad, you're in trouble now, aren't you? Well, maybe if you just keep it quiet. Because remember, it's been since 2008. And, that code of silence there, the conspiracy of silence to try to protect you. Is that working for you, Chad? I don't think so. Because I still have all the evidence. And I haven't shut up yet about it, have I? Okay? See, now remember, he sent it on January 14th, 2008. Now, why would he send it on the 14th? Well, geez, look here. On the 16th of 2008, there was an omnibus hearing with Gerald Seibel. Wow, Gerald Seibel. Boy, he's honest as the day is long, isn't he? So I bet you if I told him that I got a weapon from Chad Larson, he'd arrest Chad right there, wouldn't he? Oh, yeah, see, if you're stupid, you believe that. Okay? So, why did Chad send the disc on the 14th? So I'd get it on the 15th, so then I'd be all scared because, boy, all my evidence is on that disc, right? And if you know anything about jail, they don't let you have computers in jail, do they, Chad? No, they don't. So there's no way possible I could have ever read anything off of there. So you were worried that I'd be worried about that and not worry about mentioning that phony warrant that your cop showed up with, right? You mean you remember the warrant, right? The one that you never had to start with? The one your deputies claimed they had? Right? You remember that? The one didn't they testify that they had one? At trial? I mean, under oath, didn't they say that they had a warrant? Well, Chad, you never showed that at trial, did you? The one that's dated the day that they were supposed to bust in? See, it has to be on the date that it happens, Chad. Can't be dated 5 days later, can it, Chad? No, see, that's phony, isn't it? See? Isn't that right, Chad? See, so you want to throw me off my game, but I still mentioned it, didn't I, Chad? Yeah. Where's the warrant, Chad? I still haven't seen it yet, have I? This is in 2008. It's 2010. I still haven't seen that warrant yet, have I, Chad? Where's that warrant, Chad? Huh? Okay. So let's get back on track here. And we will go down here. Wow, that's a big picture of Lion News issue 4. And look, the date says 6/9/10. Pope County Attorney Belvin Dobert gets served with Lion issue number 4 on 6/9/10. Okay, there it is. Boy, that looks like Belvin Dobert's office right there, doesn't it? Let's take a bigger look. Boy, sure says Belvin Dobert Law Office. That's Belvin Dobert right there. See? He knew it. He's standing right there. And look, who's that right there? Who's that guy with the camera on his chest? You can see, look. There, right there. There's camera on the chest. There, that's me. There's my official uniform for the malicious prosecution victim and police brutality victim. Ooh, look at that surprised look on Belvin's face when I'm handing him that Lion News. And there's a video of Belvin getting served with this on Lion News if you want to look at Arrested Judge Kit. Look at that surprised look on his face. And here, look at this look. Wow, he's got his campaign flyer in his hand too. You didn't win, did you, Belvin? Okay. Now, I just don't want to pick on Polk County, or I don't want to pick on Todd County, because other people think they can open legal mail without people being present according to law. How do I know? Well, it happened to be in the Douglas County Jail. Who's the sheriff up in Douglas County? Oh, that's Troy Warburson, isn't it? Troy, boy, your little guys opened my mail without me being present, didn't they? See, look. Court Administrator's Office, Glenwood, Minnesota, addressed to Terry D. Nemmers, care of Douglas County Jail. What, Terry? What are you doing in jail again? Shame on you! And now look. See, open without me present. Served on October 17th, 2009, Saturday. Saturday? When do they deliver mail on Saturdays in the Douglas County Jail? Huh? When, Troy? I was just a special case, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. At 7 a.m. by Acting Sergeant Reed. Oh, Troy. What's going on here? What are you doing? You can't be opening people's mail without them being present. And you know what? I even sent him a nice little letter.